Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you'll learn on how to add Shop Now button on Instagram post. So first thing that you should do is you have to open your Instagram application, and then right here, make sure to log into your account and then go to your profile. And once you're here, you just have to select that specific post, and then you just have to click on the boost post option. So this one right here. And then after that, just choose how you'd like to boost on Instagram. So with a Facebook ad account or without a Facebook ad account. And then just click on continue. Okay, then just have to wait for a couple of seconds and then it be directed to this page. And here, what do you want people to do when they see your ad? So here, you just have to select the shop now option. Okay, and then here you just have to paste your website. Okay, so when you're done adding your website right here, they'd be able to see the shop now option when someone visit your profile or they see your post. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.